Aminado si Paolo Avellino na may pressure on his part na pantayan ang pagganap ng South Korean actor na si Park Seo-joon sa hit K-drama na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Si Paolo ang lead actor sa Pinoy adaptation ng nasabing sikat na K-drama opposite Kim Chu, nakatambal din niya sa successful series nilang Linlang. Say ni Paolo sa video interview ng ABS-CBN, "Grabe yung pressure sa akin dahil everyone loves the Korean actor who played Secretary Kim. So medyo it's really, I'm trying my best to look the part and play the part properly." Ayon pa kay Pao ay nagulat din siya nang malamang siya ang napisil na gumanap bilang vice chairman sa nasabing well-loved K-drama. "I was really shocked when I was asked to meet with everyone for a project with VIU. And I didn't expect it to play the vice chairman's role. And the pressure is really immense. So, sana, I'm just hoping that I give the role justice and give the original Korean series justice," he said. Naniniwala rin ng aktor na isang malaking factor kung bakit siya nakast sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim ay dahil sa tagumpay ng Linlang kung saan ay sila rin ni Kim ang magkapareha. "I think a big consideration, a big reason why they considered me for this project was because of the success of Linlang. So to everyone who watched Linlang and supported Linlang, thank you. It's because of you guys. It's the reason why I was even considered to be casted here," sabi pa ni Paolo. Say naman ni Kim, kung sa Linlang araw ay puro drama ang kanilang ginawa, ibang-iba raw rito sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Since rom-com and kilig drama ito, we're playing a very different, super duper very different role dito. Doon sa Linlang, sobrang intense, heavy, minsan nyo lang kaming makitang nakangiti sa isa't isa, ani Kim. Hirit naman ni Paolo, makakatawa na tayo.